What a beautiful day for a walk, Rusty. Look at this one, Rusty. The forest is full of wonders. What is it, boy? Did you smell something? Oh no! Someone left their fire burning! This is really bad, Rusty. A forest fire could start. We have to do something. But what? A stream! Good thinking, boy! A cup! Perfect! Careful, careful. It's working! Phew, that's better. But what about the animals? Are you saying the animals might not know it's safe yet? It's okay, little ones. The fire is out.
Slowly, the forest began to listen.
Come on out, friends. It's safe now.
Oliver and Rusty's kindness reached even the shyest creatures.
You see, Rusty? They understand. Now we need to tell someone official so this doesn't happen again. Park Ranger office. Yes, hello, my name is Oliver. I'm in the Whisperwind Woods near the old oak clearing. I found an unattended campfire, but I've put it out. I just wanted to report it.
Thank you, young man. That's very responsible of you. We'll send someone right over to check.
All done, Rusty. The ranger will be here soon. We did a good job today, didn't we, boy? You're the best fire alert dog ever, Rusty.
Looks like that boy did a thorough job.
What a responsible young man.
Even little things can make a big difference, can't they, boy?
Oliver and Rusty knew that being kind and responsible wasn't just about big, brave acts, but also about the small choices we make every day. Thanks to their quick thinking, the beautiful Whisperwind Woods and all its creatures were safe. Every animal could sleep soundly, knowing they were cared for. Together, we can keep our world safe and beautiful for everyone.